just record. Right? So I'll just unmute Dr. Sonali ji. Just say short and crisp, like what happened during the process and what are the practices we are still doing and how it made a difference in this any of the sessions. Even if I've attended like some of the sessions, you can still tell, right? Just make it short and crisp so that we'll proceed. Just wait a minute. Yeah. Yes, Sonali. Unmute. Just wait a minute. Yeah. She was quite regular. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Regularly, I have not missed a single day.
Oh, okay.
I have not missed a single day. In fact, Maya, when she called me, I motivated her. I told her, Maya, if you don't attend, how will it help? You have to come somehow log in. Correct. That discipline. See, I take knowledge sessions every day night. I used to take from 9:30 to 10. So I changed the knowledge sessions timing to 9:15 to 9:45 because it was becoming too hectic for me. Because I was longing for this more. Second thing, what has helped me more is more than Yoga Nidra. I like MSRT, whatever you call it. That helped me a lot because the chanting, that was very, very effective with me. No, nowadays they are telling tighten your body, tighten your, that all I don't like somehow. I like that chanting. And one thing I saw benefit with me. See, I am somebody who is a nishachar person. I like the nights. I have always studied whole night throughout my medical tenure also, my medical college days also. That was my peaceful time. I love that time, night time. So what happened? I love to play Scrabble, like I love to solve words. That all habits have stopped because I'm switching off everything, and 10 o'clock sharp, first thing I long is to start this. My husband also asked me today, your who is not there or what? So I say, no, it is there. It is very much there, and I'm going to do it every day. So what helped me, to develop a discipline to sleep at a particular time? That helped me because for me it was like 11, 12, sometimes I would stretch to 1 also. At times I've done that because I love that night time. I love to read, I love to research. I used to read a lot of knowledge books also, but then it is not a good idea. It is not a good idea. This, thank you so much. I'm very grateful to start that when you started this. My life has fallen into a discipline. 10 o'clock sharp, first thing I see, that day also I was waiting for 20 minutes. I messaged you that session is not on.
Yes.
20 minutes I waited कि अभी तो चालू होगा, अभी तो ना I was waiting कि कभी तो चालू होगा, कभी कभी ये late भी करते हैं. But then it has really helped me. And yeah, I'm a very light sleeper also. I can wake up with a drop of water also if it is falling somewhere. That much I'm a light sleeper. I can make out कि कहीं कुछ आवाज आ रहा है, एक ड्रॉप पानी का गिर रहा है, कहीं भी कोई टैप में से भी पानी गिरता होगा, I can make out that there is some water leaking. So that way also it has helped me. It has definitely helped me, and I want to continue. I want you to continue these sessions. Please do not stop. Or you can send us some audio. Please do some हमारे पे कुछ तो उपकार करो, कुछ तो भेजो कि हम ये करेंगे, है ना? Thank you so much, and I'm very what you can say, grateful to all your team. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Sonali. We will just keep everything what you have told in mind. Yeah. So, like that, many of people have shared wonderful experience. Before listening to the experiences, we'll start with like what really happened, right? Would you like to listen? Are you all interested? Everyone, right now? So we'll start, right? Okay, all attention here. So first I'll start with my PPT, right? Okay, I prepared something for you all. Yeah. So this will come to the last. We'll talk about this on the last. We will also have some different, very interesting sessions based on the research and based on the data which you have. We have really improved something. We have taken some data and you have seen how it can be more interesting, so you have decided something. I'll tell you more about this on the end. Okay, मैं इसके बारे में बोलूंगा एंड के बारे में, ये क्या चीज है जो हम अभी रिसर्च के उसको डेटा को लेके उसका रेस्पॉन्स लेकर हम कुछ और डिजाइन किए हैं, सोच समझ के कि क्या और बेहतर हो सकता है, राइट? सो विल डू. So next is, yeah, these are the experiences. Now what we found out that people, we have taken 3 factors. One is sleep, नींद आपका कैसे हो रहा है, ठीक है, कितना टाइम आपको लग रहा है, ऐसे बहुत सारा चीज था, पर जो मेजर चीज है मैं आपको आज बताऊंगा. We have taken lot of things. First we took how long does it take you to fall asleep. You can see the graph. अगर आप ग्राफ देखेंगे, इधर देखिए, 31 to 45 मिनट्स पहले लेते थे वो कि आपका 25%, then it has increased like 35 to 45 minutes more, like it has increased. So if you analyze the graph, yeah, this is more interesting. 45 to 60 minutes आपका देखो पहले अभी बहुत कम हो गया, पहले 16 to 30 minutes, just wait a minute, yeah, 45 to 60 में 99%, एंड ये भी इंक्रीज होके ये हो गया. तो बेसिकली इट हैज रिड्यूस टू, हम लोग ओवरऑल, नॉट टू गो इन डिटेल्स, ओवरऑल इट हैज रिड्यूस टू 50%. जो लोग 45 मिनट से 60 मिनट लेते थे सोने के लिए, अभी 50% के लोग, उनका कम हो गया टाइम, एंड दे कैन वेरी इजीली स्लीप नाउ. एंड नाउ मेन, this is like we had done sleep quality questionnaire, like we had, so you need not understand all these things. Now you see this graph, we have taken a control group. कंट्रोल ग्रुप माने दे डिड नॉट डू एनी प्रैक्टिस, उन लोग कुछ प्रैक्टिस नहीं किए, पर जो लोग प्रैक्टिस किया आप देख सकते हो how is the difference. Like if you take the whole thing, this is pre, this is post, means the effect has increased. Sleep timing has not increased, the effect has increased. They are now the sleep timing, they can easily sleep. This is about the sleep. Now if you go to self esteem, self esteem में कम बढ़ा है आपका. What do you mean by self-esteem? Self-esteem means like you feel great about yourself, so it has increased less, little bit, you know. But if you see in control group, it is almost same. Now, again, if you see procrastination, procrastination has little bit decreased. Procrastination माने हम जो चीज को बोलते कल करेंगे, आज करेंगे, तब करेंगे, ठीक है, तो ऐसा करेंगे, तो वो चीज थोड़े लोग का कम हुआ, ठीक है. तो 3 फैक्टर. तो अभी आप देख सकते हैं सबसे ज्यादा चेंज हुआ हमारा स्लीप में. बहुत लोग आसानी से सो गए, लाइक मेनी पीपल would really feel asleep after this process, or they felt asleep during this process. So sleep was great result, like people could easily sleep with this, one of the best result. That is a thing. Second thing, self esteem also increased. Self esteem थोड़ा सा बढ़ा इसमें, क्योंकि हम ओनली 21 डेज किए थे, वी हैव डन ओनली 21 डेज, तो 21 दिन में वी हैड इंक्रीज इन सेल्फ एस्टीम, बट नॉट मोर. बट इफ यू हैव प्रैक्टिस मोर, अगर हम ज्यादा दिन प्रैक्टिस करते, हो सकता था और ज्यादा बढ़े, आपका और बढ़ सकता है. सेल्फ एस्टीम, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. मतलब आपका नींद के, आप यू कैन सी हाउ योर स्लीप, हाउ योर रेस्ट इन स्लीप is also attributed to your quality of your personalities. How a person feel confidence and feel good about oneself because he had deep rest. अगर आपका नींद अच्छा हो तो लोगों को कुछ नया करने में, अपने आप में एक पॉजिटिविटी, अपने आप को एक अच्छा अपने आप में एक अच्छा लगने वाला, जो पॉजिटिविटी बोलते हैं, optimistic. So it has also, the sleep has also an impact on your quality. आपका personality में भी impact है sleep. Now second, if you see procrastination, procrastination थोड़ा सा कम हुआ. Why procrastination came? आप सोचो why procrastination. मतलब हम कैसे मेजर किए, हम जब उठते हैं, when you wake up, we often snooze our alarm. How many of you do that? How many of you do here? Like we snooze our alarm. हम 5 मिनट में उठेंगे, 10 मिनट में उठेंगे, फिर 1 घंटा उठेंगे, तो अलार्म व्हाट हैपन, हमारा अलार्म बाद में चलता रहता है. तो इसी से शुरू होता है आपका प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन नेचर. The nature of procrastination start with this nature of postponing the alarm of 10 minutes, 30 minutes. So we have also measured that. So but you have seen here, it has only reduced very little. You can see the graph. It has reduced very little. Why? procrastination is long-term deep-rooted habit. So we need to practice our sleep or the practice to have a very good sleep, to have like control over this or to change this quality procrastinations. It is very difficult, but we have seen the sleep, deep rest sleep has an impact on your procrastination, which is very amazing to know. Is it not amazing that your sleep has also quality on how you work, how you relate, your interpersonal skills. आप कैसे बात करते हो, आप चिड़चिड़ा से बात करते हो कि खुशी से बात करते हो, आपका प्रेजेंस कैसा है. तो आपको अगर अच्छे नींद आता है, because in sleep, okay, we'll proceed, we'll talk about more. Okay, so I'll just stop sharing. Yeah, so what I have found in this is that your sleep has lot of effect on your personalities, how you behave, how you talk, and how you do your things, like how you complete your work in personally, professionally also. Because in sleep there is lot of work going on. There are alpha, beta, gamma. No need to know about technicalities. There are lot of research and lot of things going on. Just know that if you have proper sleep, you can have many things. You will have multiple benefits. And how your sleep is, now what are the factors for good sleep? Everyone knows I need good rest, full sleep. मुझे नींद चाहिए, अच्छे से चाहिए, सब कोई जानता है. और नींद का कई सारा फायदा है. If you go to, like, if you see the research paper and if you read in internet, there are lot of benefits about sleep. You will have a healthy body. If your sleep is good, you will have a real slow aging. आपका कितने सारे disease जो होता है वो सब नहीं होगा अगर आपका नींद अच्छा हो. अगर आपका नींद अच्छा होता है, आपका मेमोरी पावर, आप कैसे परसेप्शन पावर, एवरीथिंग इंप्रूव्स. बहुत सारे चीज इंप्रूव होता है. आपका हेल्थ, आपका इम्यूनिटी, the immunity, now right now it talks of immunity, the recovery rate of your body, everything, the repair of your body. आपका सेल्स रिपेयर हो रहा है. डिजीज जो होता है, सेल्स रिपेयर होते तो डिजीज धीरे धीरे, योर रिकवरी ऑफ योर डिजीज, एवरीथिंग इंप्रूव्स विद द स्लीप, रेस्टफुल स्लीप. So now how to have a good sleep? So we have come with 3 factors, top 3 factors for good sleep. We know now benefit. We know that sleep is related to our consciousness, our quality of our personalities also. हम अभी जान गए कि हमारे नींद से हमारा कई सारे कैरेक्टर, हमारा जो हम बातें, हमारा पर्सनल बोलते हैं ना, तेरा कैरेक्टर जो भी है वो सब डिपेंड करता है. छोटे छोटे चीज भी डिपेंड करता है आपको. आप कैसे ध्यान भी करते. लोग, पीपल मेडिटेट. इफ योर स्लीप इज नॉट गुड, वी स्लीप इन मेडिटेशन. हम लोग सो जाते हैं अपने ध्यान में. तो अगर नींद अच्छा हो तो हमको क्या पूरा कई सारा फायदा है. तो अब नींद अच्छे होने के लिए देयर आर टॉप 3 फैक्टर्स. फर्स्ट फैक्टर इज exercise. Now researchers are telling, if you have morning exercise in the morning hours, अगर आप कुछ भी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, वर्कआउट करेंगे, आपका शरीर से पसीना बहाएंगे, if you sweat a bit in the morning hours, you will have a perfect sleep in the night. तो रिमेंबर, आप कुछ भी कितना भी कर सकते हैं. भले आप चल नहीं सकते अच्छे से, आपका कुछ है, आपका नी पेन है, पर थोड़ा सा एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, वर्कआउट करेंगे, that to be a proper workout. Workout here doesn't mean doing some intense exercise. Slow, rhythmic, with breath. If you do it, then it has an impact on you. Slow, fast, but rhythmic with your breath. We can do it, and it has to be in morning hours, and it has to be lot of, like, you have to cover your whole body. It's not like you are doing one particular exercise at a time. You have to cover your spine, your whole body. It's like a full body workout you have to do. Workout doesn't mean that you have to strain your body. It has to be balanced, and it has to be with your breath. So that is what I have. The one of the factors, exercise, workout. सभी को करना है. आप चेयर में बैठे हैं, चेयर में बैठे बैठे करें. आप चेयर में बैठे बैठे करें, चेयर में बैठे बैठे करें. कैसे? बहुत सारा तरीका है. आप चेयर बैठे बैठे आपको पसीना आ जाएगा, ऐसा है टेक्निक. If you do only by sitting in chair also, there are a lot of techniques, you will sweat. If you do that also, then what happens? It has the exercise and direct impact with your sleep. Remember this. The first is workout, sweating a bit, not much, sweating a bit in right amount with breathing, all the exercise with rhythmic manner, with breathing, with proper manner, that will help you sleep a lot, I'm telling you. One of the best factor. Then second is what? Just a minute. So sleep and exercise. So you have done maximize your health by targeting a workout technique. Workout, how you are doing workout and what all things you are doing in the workout. Your workout time, your workout routine. Okay, your waking up time and the sleeping time determines also your sleep. आप कैसे कब सोते हो, कब उठते हो और क्या करते हो उठने के बाद, वो भी मैटर करता है आपका नींद के लिए. ठीक है, so that is a workout time. We'll know more in upcoming week. That's why I'm telling we have just bringing a law another program which you will really enjoy, I'm telling you, and it will have a direct impact on your sleep. You'll realize, आप करोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा. नेक्स्ट वीक हम ऐसे प्रोग्राम लेके आ रहे हैं जो आपको बहुत सारी चीज आपको पता चलेगा, आप खुद एक्सपीरियंस करोगे. Then is your diet. Okay, now talking of diet, it is another vast subject which we'll cover in upcoming week. About that, how our diet and sleep is related, what is the correct diet. There are a lot of things. See, देखो बहुत सारे चीज है जानने के लिए, ठीक है, but simple few things which you can practice so that you can really practice it. बहुत हम लोग क्या बहुत सारे चीज जान लेते हैं, we gather lot of informations, but we can only implement few of them. Like this is like one of the things which you could implement every night, right? It's very easy. Just turn on your mobile and listen to the thing and you can implement it. It is easy to implement. Okay. So now first is exercise, second is food, and third is your sleep routine. That is what many of us told me. By doing this practice, it helped us to build a routine. This routine is one of the most strongest and one of the most top factor for everything. Morning time routine, 7:30 to 8:15. If you do workout, then it has to be a routine. Every day you are doing it. Whatever you do, how you do it, that also matters. But the most important thing is routine, right? 10 p.m. routine, that we any cost, anything, many people, anything, you have to hit the bed by 10 o'clock. You know, many people, what happened during this process, what you are doing, हम जब ये सब कर रहे थे तो क्या हुआ, बहुत सारे लोग अपना चीज, क्योंकि उनको इतना अच्छा लगने लगा कि वो अपना चीज सब स्किप करने लगे. मतलब अपना कोई प्रोग्राम चल रहा था वो आगे कर लिए. तो ये होता, तो क्या होता ना, तो ये क्या हुआ, आपका एक रूटीन सेट किया. सेटिंग, to set your routine, you need something like this, some group, some energy, group energy to set your routine. And sleep routine is one of the most, I can tell, whole world mein, if you take the whole world also, sleep routine is one of the most important factor which most of the people neglect. Ha, soenge, because see, we have in mind, okay, we'll wake up and we'll do our own thing. But while coming to sleep, we have this best friend called our mobile, right? We have this best friend called Instagram. We have this best friend called serial. सब चीज रात को ही बेड में लेटते हैं तभी आइडियाज आता है सब करने का. When you hit the bed, lot of ideas come. We have to do this, we have to do that, and that is the time. Because why, you know, our mind is such that it clings to something, right? Even if you have a deep rest during the whole day, it during the night it has to cling to something. So to build a discipline, we need this kind of something, this kind of like, you know, group activity. So many people told their sleep routine is really fixed by doing this. So all these things we do first to fix your routine. If morning you are doing workout, everyday workout, and workout according to your own capacity. कोई भी हो, कोई भी एज का हो, वर्कआउट नेसेसरी है, ठीक है, अपने हिसाब से. That's why we are coming up with therapeutic workout. Okay, like I am doing my masters in it is going to end. So, and I have also done lot of yoga programs like since 5 to 6 years. And so by the time I have realized what people need and how it is, and really what has happened is that there is two things. There is one thing is called workout which people do. Okay, जो वर्कआउट लोग करते हैं उसमें क्या होता है, लोग पेन होता है शरीर में, दे गिव like you know they give like they do not train their body really well. People think if you struggle, if you really push hard, it is good for them. No. Okay, so there is something called therapeutic workout. What is therapeutic workout? What is like when you do the workout and it will heal your whole body while doing the workout itself. So these 7 days I have kept this program from Monday to Sunday, in which every 45 minutes we'll do only 45 minutes and only workout. Like in workout means not intense. You'll see, like you have all the options and anyone can do. There is no nothing. If you are sitting in chair, आप अब चल नहीं सकते, तभी भी आप कर सकते हो. तभी भी मैं बोलूंगा देखो आपका पसीना बहा. You will do some breath work, थोड़ा प्राणायाम करेंगे, and you will do lot of therapeutic workout which is new. सब लोग workout कराते हैं, but therapeutic workout is we have to look for what is that thing. Therapeutic workout, while doing, just wait a minute, yeah, while doing this therapeutic workout, it has an impact on your all body organs, all your joints, and the whole system of your body. So that will affect your sleep also. So we will see. Okay, so we're starting from Monday 7:30 a.m. to 8:15 morning we'll do. So you can do your finish your routine if you have time. I know some people couldn't do it, but if you can do it, please do it. Go ahead, right? So that is the thing. And night time, this is all to set your routine. That's it. The whole complete package. If you are doing morning workout at particular time, if you're sleeping at particular time, you will realize after 1 month or maybe 2-3 months how your health will be. I'm telling you, because it will have a great impact. These two factors decides all other things. Your ये जो दो चीज है, सुबह उठने का और रात को सोने का, और सुबह उठने के बाद हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ये जो चीज दो अगर आपका सेट हो गया तो आपको क्या क्या फायदा होगा आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. यू विल सी रियलाइज योर ओन सेल्फ, आपको बहुत फायदा होगा. हम लोग करते हैं and we will do some new kind of this. I'm telling therapeutic workout you will do from 7:30 to 8:15, and night also will not do only MSRT. It will be mix of that thing, because many people I am hearing from many people. Some people like, some people, so we'll be doing mixing and we'll be doing many different technique so that you go to the deep sleep. This thing, and diet will speak on the next upcoming week when you have the thing. We'll speak on the diet also, how to take care of a diet, and that's the thing. So 3 things we're going to consider top factors: your exercise, your workout, how you work out, that is also important. How or when, आप कब वर्कआउट करते हैं, कैसे वर्कआउट करते हैं. और कोई भी वर्कआउट कर सकता है. मेरा वर्कआउट हो सकता है मैं 10 kg 100 kg उठाऊंगा, आपके लिए वर्कआउट हो सकता है 5 kg उठाओ. पर आप अगर आप एक टाइम में आके ग्रुप में करते हैं, then it has a difference. When you do, you know, the secret of habit, we'll also speak of secret of habit in next week. What are the secret of habit? Habit building is only necessary. अभी 21 दिन में, अभी I think last one, I think it's almost 40 days. Since 40 days, almost people who are attending regularly, I think 70% of them have developed habit to sleep at 10 PM. बहुत लोग अपना हैबिट बस ग्रुप में आके आपको ऑन करके करना है, बस इतना ही करना है. इससे क्या होगा, आपका हैबिट चेंज हो जाएगा, ऑटोमेटिक हो जाएगा, बिकॉज देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड ग्रुप एनर्जी. व्हेन द ग्रुप एनर्जी स्टार्ट्स, अगर कुछ लोग बोलते हैं मुझे रिकॉर्डिंग दे दो, आई एम टेलिंग यू, वंस यू गेट अ रिकॉर्डिंग, you will only do for 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. After that, your energy will reduce. It is the fact that you are doing in a group. आप अब सभी ग्रुप में कर रहे हैं एक टाइम में, that has an impact on your habit building. तो अगर आप ग्रुप में कोई चीज करते हैं तो आपका हैबिट बढ़ेगा, वो कंसिस्टेंट रहेगा, कभी नहीं होगा. आपको लगेगा अरे मेरा मिस हो गया, बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं उनको फायदा. तो ये क्या होता है, एक पुल अप होता है, हमारा ह्यूमन नेचर होता है ये सब. अरे हाँ अकेले रिकॉर्डिंग पड़ा है, हाँ देख लेंगे सुन लेंगे, और रिकॉर्डिंग इज देयर, ओके विल लिसन, okay, so we'll want, okay, first 5 days we'll do at 10 o'clock, then 10:30, then will lose the habit. So for that, what I was thinking, because for our well-being, for everyone's well-being and peace of mind, because if our waking time and if our sleeping time is fixed and our sleeping routine is fixed, and after if you are doing exercise in the morning, I'm telling most of the things will be taken care. Most of the things will be taken care. Your immunity will increase. Lot of benefit. Let's not talk about benefit. Let's do. You see how it has. You can see how it has helped you only the night time while doing this thing. You can see when you do the both the things, you see the magic what is happening, right? आप अपना सोने उठने का टाइम और सोने का टाइम, ये दोनों ही तो हमको ही, ये दोनों ही हमारा तो फैक्टर है जो हमारा हेल्थ, हमारा माइंड, हम कैसे बात करते हैं, हमारा हम क्या चीज कैसे करते हैं, ये दोनों ठीक है तो भाई सब कुछ ठीक है. And I'm telling you, we'll also do, like, once we progress on this techniques and all these things what you're doing it, we are going to do amazing things. Lot of things are in the mind. We have also tried it. You will see, you will have a power of sankalpa. You know what I'm telling. We'll discuss all this in later when you do, because if I tell now you cannot understand, because I have done it, I have felt it. You can see. So when you practice all these things, when you have deep sleep, any sankalpa you take in the mind, suppose any pain, I'm telling, the one deep rest sleep is enough to heal your body. Any big thing. You must have heard of stories. People suddenly during a week their disease vanished. How it is happening? Because when you sleep, there is lot of factors which is happening inside our body and brain. There is something called our subconscious mind. I think almost everyone knows it. Our subconscious mind has a greater role to heal our body, to construct our character. एक जन को अच्छा बनना है, तो what you will do before sleeping, we'll just put these small seeds, like how to, and you will see how these seeds will develop your consciousness, your personalities, only by having good sleep and have a positive mindset before you sleep. You will see, you'll be amazed to know. आप देखोगे जब धीरे धीरे मैं आगे और धीरे धीरे करेंगे, सब कुछ है पाइपलाइन में, देखोगे आपका नींद और सोने, आपका उठने और सोने का अगर कंट्रोल हो गया, फिर हम करेंगे आपका कुछ पेन है कहाँ है, देखो एक 3-4 नींद में हो सकता है, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर बॉडी एंड डाइट, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर, बट विल प्रैक्टिस हाउ इट विल बी रिजॉल्व बाय हेल्प ऑफ दिस स्लीप, आपका डीप रेस्ट स्लीप. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू डू, जो हम धीरे धीरे करेंगे. बट वन थिंग, आपका रूटीन, अगर आपका रूटीन सेट है तो सब कुछ सेट है. इफ योर रूटीन इज सेट, everything is set, right? So I request everyone to join. I think I'll put again, I'll WhatsApp you in the group. There is another because we need another account, like my WhatsApp account that was personal. I was getting lot of messages, so I got another number. We'll shift that thing. So the group is there. I'll send message from that number about how to join that thing, and you will see how you're amazing your this 6 day will be. Invite your friends. Everyone needs good rest in sleep. Everyone needs to do some group activities, exercise. If you are doing it, it will be little bit different. We'll do it according to your I'll not tell all the things, like, I mean, we'll do it something kind of therapeutic. Once you come, we'll know how it is therapeutic, right? How it is happening. You might not relate it, but it will happen. We have seen it. It is happening. The therapeutic what is different from normal workout. Okay, so हम लोग करेंगे. So I think, I hope everyone invite your friends, family, anyone in the family. Let them do it, and you see. Okay, morning 7:30 to 8:15 we'll do it, right? So I think, and we'll join another group, because some people who are not doing, they might get irritated if I give all the messages. So it will be separate group. You join that group. It will be only about these things, not other things. Okay, only about these things, your sleep and morning workout. And I have also one interesting news. I was reading, researching like a little bit. If you do morning workout, it has lot of positive hormones, lot of happy hormones will get released during this workout. These happy hormones will keep you active, and also these hormones will induce deep rest in your sleep. So everything is related. Your routine is what matters. आपका जो routine है ये matter है. इसके लिए आपको एक group चाहिए. बोलते हैं संघे शक्ति कलयुग. In this कलयुग, if you have to do something, you cannot do your habit. It's very difficult to build your habit with like one, but with group you can do it. Okay, so that's it. And anything else, just let me. So sleep and sleep habits, you need not worry. Just as of now, just we'll do it slowly. हम लोग धीरे धीरे करेंगे. Just as of now, come to 10 o'clock, like come to your bed at 10 o'clock. And remember one more thing, I'm requesting everyone, please switch off your mobile. If you're not switching off, please keep it in flight mode, or please keep your mobiles away after the process. If you're sleeping in between a process, please tell someone to keep your mobile away from your body, right? Because keeping mobile away from the body during the whole sleep, it is very good for your health because of your frequency and radiations. तो अपना फोन आप स्विच ऑफ करके सोए, नहीं तो फ्लाइट मोड करके सोए, और नहीं तो आप किसी को बोल के रखे, अगर आप बीच में सो रहे हैं आपका फोन दूर में रखे, ठीक है? So then you will see also your sleep has a greater impact if you keep your gadgets away. So do that. Okay, do that also. And all these things we'll discuss more. And this group, whatever group you will have, it will help you to just set your habit. Okay, because I myself, my habit are also changed because of this. I am also sleeping at 10 o'clock, which is making me fresh, and I can do a lot of work in the morning. So this is the thing, right? So anything, yeah, so please send link to join the group. Yeah, so I'll just flash up the thing here. You can just note down if you want. Yeah, this is the thing. And if you type, the link is given below, bit.ly/6-day yoga and sleep, and you can WhatsApp that number and we'll do that. And I think I'll change it is 7:30 to 8:15 a.m. we'll do the practice, and we'll start from Monday, right? We will do both sleep and morning yoga. Any questions you have, you can put it in the chat, or you can message me also. कुछ प्रश्न है तो पूछ सकते हैं. Okay, someone is asking. कुछ बोलना है? Yeah, just wait a minute. Yeah. Morning. We will see. Just let us do it for 6 days. We are doing it from 7:30 to 8:15, or let's see, because according to the major feedback we have this time right now. We will see in the future how we can do about the timing, right? Anushka ji, you can text. You can text. Those who have any prior commitment, if you have anything, you can leave. Those who have questions, you can stay back. You want MSRT? Yes, after Kriya we can do. After Kriya, just take a rest. Okay, just take a rest few. Then after that you can do it. Not a problem. You can do it. I'm not available 7:30. We'll see. Anushka, available. Anushka, we're doing this for this month. According to the feedback, we'll do it. We'll change it. We'll have a maybe earlier slot also. Maybe from 6:30 to 7:15. We can have another slot if you have more people. Because I don't want to diverse the group. If more people are doing it, that it will keep the energy. If you have more people from 6:30 to 7:15, we can also do it during that time. So one batch from 6:30 to 7:15 and one batch from 7:30 to 8:15. But I prefer to do with one batch as a right now. But if more people are interested to join from 6:30 to 8:15, then we'll do that time. Okay. Make it 7:45. We'll see, Pratibhaji. We'll see because there are a lot of things. Other people also, they have office or something. So I this time. Is the research says limit? Yes, Anushka ji, that is the reason I am not doing it regularly. There is no such research, but what I have found out that if you do any kind of things, like chanting, it long run it may not be nice. It may not be nice. So you should have both the. You should have mixed up all the things. So I am what I found out that we can have deep relaxation at the same time, some chanting. That will be like holistic, that will be holistic process for everyone. That is the thing. Holistic for everyone, because some people have deep sleep with silent process. If you take attention, some people have something. So, but when you mix, it has an impact on both the things. So see, I'm telling, need not worry about the process. आप इतना analyze मत करिए. Okay, बस जो हो रहा है उसको सुन के करिए. It will have a positive impact. Okay, so don't worry that I want that process only, because every process every day will not do same process every day. We'll do some other process here every day. Like every day, according to according to our group energy, it is different. So we'll do it like that. So because same process, what happens, your body and mind may adhere to that process only. So we have to train our whole body and mind to different processes. That is the thing. Some process you have to practice daily, but some process like this we can change. It has some reason also. We'll do it like that. I just dissolved as you start. Okay, then it's very good, not a problem. Okay, no, that is why if you do exercise, what should be getting up routine? Getting up routine I have just left to you, because that's why I have given the gap. You do whatever in the morning, what you do, whatever practice. Someone has learned Sudarshan Kriya, someone has learned anything, meditations. You do all the things, whatever you do. After that, we can start from 7:30. Like 7:30, you can take a rest. You can take a complete rest. After that, we can start from 7:30. Or those who, because I am starting this because some people really feel difficulty to get up in the morning, and winter is approaching. So I have given this 7:30 timing so that people, and if you really hurry in the mind while getting up, no, that has no impact. हमको करना, हमको ये करना, वो करना. इसी से भी हमारा मन, हमारा क्या है, जो स्लीपिंग साइकिल, हमारा माइंड चेंज होता रहता है. बहुत लोग हमको ये करना, हमको वो करना, सुबह उठ के, वो ठीक है, पर ये करना है चक्कर में जो उठते हैं, उससे क्या होता है, हमारा ब्रेन में इम्पैक्ट, हमारा माइंड, हमारा बॉडी में इम्पैक्ट होता है. इट हैज एन इम्पैक्ट. ओके, सो टेक योर टाइम and get up, do all your works. Just keep, if you 7:30 to 8:15 or 7:30 to 8, however it is, I will recommend to attend the whole thing, because there are a lot of different processes we are going to do, the lot of things we are going to do, and that is a thing. Okay, Anushka wrote lot of. Thank you, Anushka ji. Anything else? Anything else? And I am doing this because it just started as my I love to teach yoga. I love to make people relax and meditate. And I'm also an Art of Living teacher, and many of us are from Art of Living also. I just love to make people relax, and I have seen when I do that, lot of things comes to me. It's not that I always prepare everything and tell. Many things comes while doing the process. So and I have found that is good, that is required, maybe that is required for you all who are in the, maybe if it is virtual, that is required for you all. So we do not know what this, it has started. And I have planned to do classes also, because when you do some kind of formal classes, I have seen many people, like right now if 17 people are coming, but if I give them, like I call them class and all these things, then what, many people have commitment and they have to come at proper time. So I have plans, so we'll tell everything slowly we'll go. But let's see, I'm telling you, this will be a wonderful journey. We do not know like what will happen to our body and mind, and everything will happen good only, don't worry, nothing like, but how far this group energy and this whole group and this all these processes, it will really help all of us, in terms of mind, health, and whatever it is. Look, everyone wants to be healthy, everyone wants to like to keep peace of mind. And you will see, if some people, we are doing meditation, and you will see how these things will help in your meditations also, all these things. आपका ध्यान भी कैसे होगा आप देखोगे, मतलब ये सब करने के बाद. Can one have light snacks before coming? Yes, take light snacks, not a problem. We'll talk also about diet, how before that thing what you can have. But I'm telling you, do not think lot of things. मुझे ये करना है. Bas come to the sessions. Whatever you can do, just do it. This coming to sessions every day with lot of people in the group, lot of people, I'm telling, because lot of people has an also impact on your health also. Don't think that if 1000 people, if 10 people are doing, it has 1000 people has impact in individual health also, mind also. सबका एक फैक्टर भी है जब ज्यादा लोग करते हैं. ठीक है, अपने आप हो जाता है बहुत सारे चीज, पता नहीं चलती. ओके, थैंक यू अजय जी, थैंक यू अजय जी. हम बात करेंगे धीरे धीरे हर वीक में ऐसे कोई भी टॉपिक, जैसे डाइट हुआ, जैसे हमारा स्लीप रूटीन हुआ, थोड़ा एक्सटेंसिवली करेंगे. पर ज्यादा चीज सुनेंगे ना, कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा. कम चीज सुनेंगे, हर दिन करेंगे. इफ यू लिसन लेस, इफ यू do like no less thing, and if you practice it daily, that is what it matters. Now, as of now, morning workout, we'll do therapeutic workout, let's see what it is, and proper time, it's proper sleep time, night 10 पे. That's it, nothing more. कुछ नहीं करना, हाथ पर हिलाना है सुबह, कुछ और तरीके से, नए नए तरीके से करेंगे, और रात को 10 बजे सोना है, बस इतना. बाकी आपको जो करना है करो. आप देखो आप जो भी कर रहे हो उसमें कितना चेंज आ रहा है. वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग इट, by doing all these two things, how it is changing your way of working, the way of communicating with people. आप देखो, the way you meditate, it will change. Okay, I think late हो रहा है सबको. Have dinner. Normally हम बोलते हैं अगर सोने जा रहे हैं तो ठीक है, बाद में करेंगे, इतना सारा चीज नहीं बोलेंगे, अदरवाइज फिर हो जाएगा. एक ही थोड़ा सुनेंगे, उसको ज्यादा देर. We'll listen less and do it regularly. That is what is our motto is, right? Okay. Namaste, Jai Gurudev. Namaste. Okay. Suluji, I know, yeah, if you are from other country, as of now, for 1 or 2, 3 months, let us do it in this time, then we'll see what we can do. Okay. I think she is sleeping already. Okay, fine. Okay, today also we'll do 9. Today we'll start from 10 o'clock. From Monday we'll start from 9:45, and we'll have different things, very small things I have planned. Some kind of we'll talk, not now. Okay. We'll see now. See you all. Jai Guru. Namaste. Good night. I'll see you everyone. If you want to attend 10 p.m. same link, not this link, normal link. 10 p.m. IST, you can come for 30 minutes. We can do. Okay, Bharti ji. तो